Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Shakib sir. I'm from Team Set Coders. This is our project of final DS project. Let's run our code. Let's expand this one. We can see there are two segments of this project. One is LMS resolution. Second one is grocery store. Let's dive into the first one. Let's press one. We are told to enter as owner and student. We can enter as owner. Let's press one. We can sign in because we already have an existing owner. Let's type the name Rakib. Type the password _1. Hello Rakib. Press enter. We can choose the mesh profile. In the profile, we'll choose mesh profile for now. Let's press 2. Let's add a mesh for this owner. In this all segments view, edit, register. So let us press 2 to add a mesh. Let's press root number, let's say 1. Let's say Tilagor. That I want to add my mesh here. Sorry, wrong function. Tilagor. Let's type the mesh address. Let's say Rakib, just to keep it short. Let's type the room number. Let's say I have 7 rooms. They have 30 seats available. Let's say the price is 200. Mesh profile creation is successful. Let's press enter. Let's press 2 again. Let's press 1 to view profile. We can see my mesh is set as price for 1200. It's 7 seats, 7 room numbers and 30 seats. Let's press enter again. Let's log out. Let's go into the student. Let's sign in as previous student Sakib. Let's set the password 121. Let's go to segment 1. We can create profile, view profile, edit, and start mesh server. We'll just go to the fourth one. Let's say 4. Let's start by searching mesh. Let's say press 1. Let's type my desired seat number. I can say 5. I want 5 seats. Type the root number 1. Let's say Tilagor. I want Tilagor mesh. We can see there are 4 meshes available in Tilagor. 1, 2, 3, 5, and let's say I want mesh tongue 3. You can see my desired requested for desired mesh is 3, that is for Rakib, and price 1200. Let's press enter. Let's again go to student section, sign in SAKIB with my previous ID 121. Again go to 2. Again go to 2 mesh profile. You can see current and pending. Let's go to 2. You can see that my requested for owner Rakib is still pending. So let's press enter. Let's log out again. Let's go to the owner. Let's log in as Rakib to approve my request. Password is 11. Enter as owner. Go to second option mesh profile and click 4 to view the pending request. Let's press 4. You can see Hafiz and Sakib are in pending. So let's approve all. Let's say 1. Yes, I want to approve all. Yes, current mesh tools are Hafiz and Sakib as I've approved all. So again, let's press 5 to current student list. Press 5. We can see Hafiz and Sakib are currently in my mesh as approved ones. So let's press 1. Let's go back 7. Log out 7. Go to student 2. Sign in again. Sakib 121. Press 2 and see my press 2 and press 1 to see my current mesh. You can see as Rakib has approved my request, so it's not showing as my current student mesh. So this is the end of my LMS student solution. So let's press 1. Let's log out from the section 3, exit application 3, and we are now done for LMS student solution. Now we'll go to the second one, that is grocery store. Our second option. Let's press 2. We have successfully logged into the Set Coders grocery store. So you can enter as a shopping as a customer or owner to the shop. Let's go to the second option as shop owner. Press 2. Type the username that is set from before. Set Coders. Leading is my password. We have successfully entered. We can see there are 5 different categories actually: drinks, fruits, meat, snacks, vegetables. Let's say I want to modify my drinks category, so I'll press 1. I can add, show, update, delete. Let's press 2. I press 2. I can see there are currently this type of drinks are available in my store. If I want to add more products, I can click enter. I do add. I can enter the product code. Let us say the 78 is the product code. Product name is like hot coffee, hot chocolate against coffee. Price, let's say 80 taka for hot coffee. And I want to add more products. I don't actually. Let's press 2, enter. Again, shop product. I can see hot coffee is successfully added as 78 number product code in my list. You can press enter. I can also update and delete. And if I want to update, let's say press 1. I want to update the coffee section. Let's say the product code is 2. Let's keep the product code as same. Press 2. Change the name like iced tea. Price of product again, I guess 120 taka. I don't want to modify any more product, so I'll keep pressing 1 and yes. So I can see my product 2. I can see number 2 has been replaced with iced tea with 120 taka. So I'll log out from this one. I'll go back 5. I'll start continue my shopping as a customer. Let us press 1. My name, let us say Afsar is my username, Afsar Khan. My email is, I guess, say absr. Right. My password is 1234 just for now. I have successfully entered in my program. I can buy it from different categories. I'll go to the drink section first. I can see these are the options for drinks, and the last 2 I've entered hot coffee as an owner. So I'll continue buying drinks. Let's say I want to buy 2, code number 2. I want to buy iced coffee. Yes, I want to buy more product. Let us say I want to buy juice also, 6. I don't want anymore, so I'll press N. I can see my bill is for iced tea and juice is 170 taka in total. Let us press enter again. I can pay via Vikash, card and cash. I'll pay for cash as of right now. I'll click 1. I can see this is my final bill as I entered as cash. So thank you for shopping with us. The number is Steven. This is the final invoice receipt for LU Headquarters grocery store. Thank you. I'll press enter. I can exit evaluation by pressing 3, exit. I've come to the first page of our Headquarters project. Thank you for now, and this is our final project for third semester. And thanks for staying with us, everyone. Thank you.